First impression of this laptop is the color is looking really nice and it is quite light. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So today's vlog is going to be about this HP Pavilion laptop which I have recently bought. So I'm going to unbox this. So yeah, let's start. I'm going to say all the features and going to unbox it. So yeah, let's start. I'm gonna talk about this product specifications. This product is HP Pavilion laptop 15 EG0104TX and the product specifications are it is i5 11 generation, 16GB RAM and 512GB solid state drive SSD, and it has something around 2GB of graphic card. Guys, that's it for today's video. It was an unboxing video of this laptop. If you want a detailed review video of this laptop, make sure you comment and also don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. मैं ऐसे ही वीडियोस पोस्ट करते रहता हूँ related to riding या जो भी मेरे लाइफ में हो रहा है. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. First of all, the product is HP Pavilion laptop 15 EG and the product specific. So yes guys, that was the video. ये एक unboxing video था.